Are you taking a picture? Go ahead, take a picture. Take a picture. What is this?
It's a video!
Are you winding the dick? Is that what you're doing? Oh man, hello Sam, Genesis, and...
I was about to say my name.
Hey man, you say your fucking name. We don't need to go down. What's your name?
Miller.
Miller? Wait, your name's Miller and you want a Miller? Damn, that's cool. That's cool. No, that's a cool name. Look, you guys got, look, Genesis, Sam, and Miller. Those are good fucking names, man. Those are good names. My real name? Ardley. How fucked up is that? That's my real name. I wish I had a name like Genesis.
Leviticus.
Leviticus? Yeah. Leviticus. Say your name again.
It's actually Neil.
Oh, Neil. Man, you right next to Ardley. Fuck you talking about, Neil? But see, those are cool names though, man. Ardley, that is not a cool fucking name. My mother knew I wasn't gonna be a gangster because you never see